Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with my new art journal page. You will see how to create background with few resist techniques and Distress Oxide sprays using brayer. Here I have page with marks from my previous spread. I cleaned my stencil after using it with texture paste. I decided that I need some more of them, and I'm applying same texture paste, Distress Crackle, with same stencil onto another journal. I don't need this texture anymore. I probably will use it as a starting point for another spread, and now I'm just cleaning stencil again on my current page. I'm planning to use Distress Oxide sprays on background, and I think that paste leftovers will create an interesting texture which will be resistant to sprays. When Crackle paste is dry, I'm applying Distress Micro Glaze through another stencil with Ranger blending tool to add more resistance. For now it's barely visible. This is brayer. You're probably familiar with this tool if you ever tried gel printing. I'm spraying Distress Oxides on my craft mat and picking the colors with brayer directly from it. When yellow is dry, I'm applying a pink. All color names and products used are listed in description box below this video, as usual. Now oxides are dry and I'm adding a background stamping. I'm using different colors of Distress Archival ink pads, which are also listed in description. Then I'm stamping my focal image. I don't care about perfection right now, I just need to mark area. After this, I'm adding texture with Distress, matte paste and brick stencil. When paste is completely dry, I'm spraying one more color of oxide and one distress stain color. To make them run, I'm also spraying with water. Here I'm making splats with the same oxide colors which were used for background. To create my focal point, I'm using stamping platform because now I need a perfect image. I'm stamping with Archival inks because I will use a water media for coloring. For coloring, I chose Derwent Inktence pencils. I'm using this media a lot in my art books. They are very similar to watercolor pencils and can be activated with water, but Inktence pencils are ink-based and become permanent after activation. I'm just scribbling blues and greens in the areas I want and activating colors with water brush. Now I'm outlining background focal point image with black pen. Then I'm adding some white lines to the arrows with white gel pen. I'm fussy cutting my focal point image and text elements. I'm gonna speed this boring process up. gluing, I'm using Distress Collage medium matte with fine nib. Here I have paper dolls from Team Holt's ideology, and these three are definitely friends, but sorry ladies, I need just one of you. Now I'm using stamping platform again to make a sentiment for this page. This time I chose blue-green color. This is Archival inks, but at this point it really doesn't matter. I'm coloring doll's dress with Faber-Castell Pitt brush pen. And I'm dipping dark brown Inktence pencil to the water cup and coloring white edges of doll and sentiment. This tiny butterfly is from Team Holt's Ephemera pack. I decided that I want some simple doodling here. Same Distress matte medium for gluing. For more interest, I'm adding a little bit of tissue tape. To make my page look more complete, I'm again dipping Inktence pencil in water and outlining around. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're still not. Thumbs up if you find this video interesting, and any questions will be answered for sure. Take care and see you. Bye!